driver's window is open. I'm going to stop 15 to 50 feet from the closest rail. Keeping my hands on the wheel. Come to a stop, set the brake, put it in neutral, open my door. I'm going to check left and then right, left and right. Ready to go. I'm going to put it in drive, close my door, release my brake, look and listen as I cross the tracks. Okay. Get back up to speed. 50 feet past the tracks, I'm going to cancel my four ways and recheck my tracks.